Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. I hope you all are doing absolutely great. And if you have watched any of my videos and tried any of the DIYs that I have mentioned in my previous videos, kindly take a moment to mention that in the comment section below on how it worked for you. And if you're new here, hello, this is Harika and I create content related to hairstyles, hair care, skincare, fashion related content, and I recently started product reviews on my Instagram page. Kindly take a moment to see that page and follow as well. So today's topic is about hair care. If you have watched my previous videos, you would know that I have suffered a lot with severe hair fall, hair thinning and dandruff kind of issues, and I also mentioned the proofs in those videos as well. If you want to look, you can see those videos, or I will mention all the links in my description box below. So today's topic is about dandruff, and I will show you the DIY mask that I have used in my previous years. I used to use this hair mask and it kind of worked for me very well, and I'm going to share that only.
In today's video, you'll be watching number 1, a DIY hair mask with only 2 ingredients. Number 2, how to use it, and also I will be sharing a trick to exfoliate the scalp for better and faster results. Number 3, how much time to keep it for oily, dry and combination type of scalp. Number 4, why we are using this mask. Number 5, what are the causes of dandruff. So without any further ado, let's start the video. First of all, we are going to boil the water and then keep it aside. Now take the required amount of coconut oil according to your hair length. Put the boil in the hot water for a minute. Now take it out, and the next most important ingredient is lemon. I will tell you later why I am using this. Now cut the lemon into half and squeeze that juice into the hot coconut oil. Stir it till everything gets mixed up. So this is the mask we are going to apply on the scalp. Now let's see how to apply it. First, dangle your hair from bottom to top. Make sure that there are no tangles. Now here's the trick. We have to use the lemon, which we squeeze the juice out of it, and apply the mask with that only. This will help in the exfoliation of the scalp. What actually happens is the lemon will act as a scrub. This will remove the impurities and cleanse it faster. Use the inside of the lemon to get the most out of it. While I apply, let me tell you why I'm using this mask. Because lemon has many vitamins such as C and B and minerals like calcium, magnesium and phosphorus. So it works to improve the overall scalp environment. As a result, it is a potent ingredient in hair care that cleanses the scalp. This citrus acid has numerous benefits owing to the bunch of vitamins it is loaded with. This mask mainly helps in treating the dandruff. Because lemon has powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties, it can effectively fight off malassezia, a fungus that leads to dandruff. It also soothes the scalp and relieves severe itchiness, redness and white flakes on the scalp. If you have an oily scalp, then lemon will effectively regulate excess oil production while helping you cleanse the dirt and build up on the scalp. In addition, it does not irritate and gently works on to improve the scalp environment. This mask will also help in regulating the pH levels of the scalp. Besides curing dandruff and shielding your scalp, lemon effectively regulates pH, balancing the level between 4.5 to 5.5. The imbalances in the scalp's pH level can make hair extremely frizzy and weak. As lemon is acidic, it can potentially maintain a balance in the scalp's pH. Thus, it protects hair from potential damage caused due to dirt, bacteria, chemicals, and other harmful environmental stresses. Applying mask will enhance hair elasticity. After a certain age, collagen levels deplete and must be restored via collagen-enriched foods or topical applications. Applying this mask helps from collagen in the hair cells. Lemon contains essential amino acids that build the structure of your hair follicles, enhancing the hair's elasticity. Apart from those which are mentioned above, this mask will help you give shiny hair. Because lemon has powerful purifying properties, it also helps remove unwanted buildup from your hair follicles, allowing other products like hair mask to penetrate the scalp. Also, lemon oil for hair is an age-old remedy to make your hair shiny and vibrant. Now let's look at causes of dandruff. Why I'm saying this, because when we get to know the reason behind it, we can try to prevent those by following healthy steps. So the number 1 cause is shampooing. Some people believe that dandruff becomes worse the more often you shampoo, but that is not the case. In fact, not shampooing enough can make your dandruff worse. It causes more oil and dead skin to sit on the top of your scalp, worsening dandruff. A medicated shampoo can help. This one particularly happens with oily scalp. If your scalp tends to get oily on the second day, you are more likely to shampoo the hair to avoid dandruff. The second cause is yeast-like fungus. The major culprit of dandruff is a fungus called malassezia. This fungus exists on most of the adult scalp. It feeds on the oils on your scalp, breaking it down and leaving fatty acid in its place. The body then reacts to this acid by increasing the speed at which skin cells renew. It is an attempt to rid the scalp of the irritant and can cause flakes. The flakes are dead skin cells that visibly accumulate on the scalp or even shoulders. That is why a dandruff shampoo and conditioner can be so useful in treating dandruff. Regular shampoos struggle to clean out all the buildup that causes dandruff. Medical shampoos have the proper ingredients to do that. The third cause is dry skin. It can be easy to tell because other parts of your body will likely be dry as well. Dry skin can worsen throughout the year due to temperature, and the same goes for your scalp as well. However, a dry scalp that causes dandruff is treatable, similar to dry skin anywhere else. You simply need to moisturize, especially as you're shampooing more often. There are several hair products out there catered to a dry scalp. A healing hair mask like this one will certainly help add moisture to your scalp. However, it is important to pick a product that is free of irritants. The fifth cause is hair care products. Much like any other part of your body, the scalp is susceptible to irritation and allergic reactions. If your scalp has a sensitivity to a hair care product, contact dermatitis can develop on the scalp. It is nothing but the skin's reaction to direct contact with an irritant, and it will likely result in dandruff. If you notice your scalp becomes irritated or sore after using certain products, it could be due to a sensitivity to the product. It is crucial to stop using those products immediately. If you are not sure which product it is, you can use the process of elimination to determine which one it is. And the most important and the sixth cause is the symptoms of stress. It has been shown to aggravate a dandruff problem. There are a whole host of symptoms associated with stress, and some can have a knock-on effect which can make dandruff appear worse. The hormonal changes breaks down oils on your scalp, starting the cycle that leads to skin cells flaking off as dandruff. Sebum production is controlled by hormones, so as stress causes changes to your hormonal balance, it may cause you to produce more sebum. And the last cause is other skin conditions. Skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis can appear in the scalp as well, causing dandruff. Depending on the severity of these skin conditions, over-the-counter treatments may not cover it. Check with your dermatologist before trying anything new. The wrong products can lead to skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis worsening. Now let me tell you why it is important to do a patch test. Because for some people citrus acid doesn't suit. It might make their skin itchy or irritated. So I will tell you how to do it. Apply a small amount of the mask on the back of the neck just below the hairline. If no reaction occurs after 10 minutes, the mask is likely safe and you are good to go with it. And also remember, the citrus acid in lemons alone can make your hair more sensitive to the sun. You'll want to use caution when going outside after you have washed your hair, especially if any part of your scalp is exposed. You may consider applying sunscreen. Conditioners like zinc oxide can also help protect your hair from harmful UV rays. After you have applied the mask, massage for 5 minutes for a good blood circulation. Using a scalp massager will make it more effective. You can apply a normal coconut oil on the remaining parts of the hair. Now I am going to braid and secure it with a satin hair cover. So for dry scalp people, keep the oil for 1.5 hours. And for oily scalp, 45 minutes. And for combination type of scalp, 1 hour is enough. I already uploaded a dedicated video on how I wash and dry my hair. In this video, you'll see step-by-step procedure on how I wash and what kind of water I use. What procedure I follow after hair wash. Kindly watch it if you want to reduce the dandruff in just one wash. So guys, this is my hair right after I washed and dried it. So this is my hair before. As you can see, I have dry flaky dandruff, and also according to me, I don't have much compared to 3-4 years back hair condition of mine. This one usually occurs if I don't wash my hair for more than 4 days. And this is right after the hair wash.
So guys, that's all for today's video. I really hope you find this video helpful and useful. And one more thing I want to tell you, that you cannot expect miracles in just one day. You might reduce the dandruff with one wash, but you cannot permanently reduce it. You have to be consistent, you have to be disciplined in that. Then only you can see some kind of results. And also, this is a natural DIY. So it might take a lot of time. For some people, it might take very less time. For me, it took a lot of time, but I really truly believed in this, and now I'm happy with the results. And you also should be very consistent. If you really like this video and hoping to watch this kind of content, kindly take a moment to subscribe to this channel. Share with your friends and family. I do post a lot of videos on Instagram related to hairstyles, hair care, skincare, makeup kind of stuff. And also I recently started to post product reviews as well. If you want to watch, I'll mention the link in the description box below. Go and check it out. And if you find that page makes a sense, then kindly follow as well. So guys, that's all for today's video. We'll meet in the next. Till then, take care and have peace.